Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. It is June 1st, so it's time to share our new subscriptions for the month. We've got some great summer themed subscriptions lined up for you, so let's check them out. I will start out with our foil subscription. The foiling subscription goes out on the 5th of the month. And in that subscription, you're going to get a pack of our foilable panels. This is exclusive to the subscription, so this will not go on sale afterwards. This is just some sentiments. We have, "You are the anchor holding me steady in the storms. During the waves of change, we must find the strength to rise. Like the seashells in the sand, our friendship is a treasure. Salty air, sandy feet, and a heart full of gratitude. My love for you is as constant as the changing tides. Sometimes in the waves of change, we find our true direction." We have a couple of them repeated on the side here. So those are some great summer beachy sentiments. And you get 4 of each sentiments printed in black on white, so you can foil or just use them on cards like they are, or with the black background and the sentiments are left in white. 8 panels total. You're also going to get the nautical foilable sheets. So we have 8 different patterns here. Look how fun that is with the lobsters and the crabs, the little starfish. You get the positive and the negative print of that. I can't wait to create with these. I love these. You get some great shells. There's the negative print to the shells. We have some really cool waves. Look at that. And then the negative print of the waves. Let's turn this around. We've got some lighthouses, sailboats, all these nautical fun images. The positive and negative print of that. So these are some great foilables for the summer months. Along with our foil subscription, we're going to get a brand new roll of foil. This is called Watercolor Blue. It's a beautiful silver background. It's like blues, a little bit of green and yellow in there. But it looks like a watercolor pattern, but it is going to be beautiful on those watery, ocean, beachy themed projects and more. So hard to get it just right for the camera. It's a beautiful foil. And our foil rolls come with 25 feet of foil, 6 1/4 inches wide. And you're the first to get this if you get the foil subscription. It will be for sale later in the month individually, but you can get it now at a great deal with the foil subscription. So that is our foil subscription that'll go out on the 5th. On the 10th, we ship our stamp and die of the month. And this month, we've got Special Day. So these fun little turtles, look how cute they are. We've got one with the little crab friend making sand castles. Here he is with a drink, and the crab has a watermelon. Here's, we've got a turtle surfing. This one's relaxing and a little float. Got it with a beach ball, and then you've got a little pair of sunglasses you can put on them. We've got clouds and a sun. It says, "It's your special day. You are my sunshine. Summer greetings. A sunny hello." So a super sweet set for our stamp and die of the month. Again, that goes out on the 10th. Now let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard kit, or our monthly subscription kit. You always get handy project zippered bag, mesh bag. Let's go over our papers here. So you get a flyer that tells you everything that's in the kit along with the colors. The kit theme is smooth sailing. On the back of the flyer, I give you some card sketches, and this time I gave you a couple of slimline card sketches so you could play around with different size cards. Our cardstock, we have really pretty brownstone. We have barbershop blue. We've got a specialty sheet this month, which is this beautiful light blue glitter paper. We have your sheet of white. We have our street light yellow, as well as our stop sign red. So some great colors for the kit. We have a pack of confetti sequins. This is patriotic stars. So we have red, white, and blue stars in here, along with some little confetti sequins that are kind of iridescent and white. Really pretty sparkly mix. You're gonna get a package of our sticky gems. These are the blues. So we have 3 tones of blues on here. We have a really light sky blue. This is a little darker, a little more aqua in this one, and then we have a nice dark navy blue. Our stamp set in the kit is this nice large 6x6 stamp set. We have a lighthouse. We have a barrel here with a seagull. We've got some other nautical images and a sailboat. The sentiments are great. It says, sending you ocean-sized hugs, waving hello, wishing you smooth sailing, sending waves of smiles your way. You put the wind in my sails, hope to see you soon. I think you're swell. I'd be lost without you. Ahoy, matey, and you're a lifesaver. Love these stamps. You're going to get the coordinating dies in the kit that go along with the stamp set. We've got a sample pack of our Nautical Fun pattern papers. You get 10 different patterns in here. And later on in the month, when we do our regular release, if you'd like more papers, we will sell the full paper pack. We've just got some fun nautical designs, the anchors. Here, look at this yellow with the knots. Got some really cool waves. Here we've got red with like rope design in the background. Some sailboats. Some nice colorful chevron. A colorful stripe. Here's some more anchors. This green one is cool. It looks like webbing or netting. And then we have a nice cloudy sky. Some great papers to create with. They are 8.5 by 5.5, so you can cut them down to make A2 size cards. You can use them for 5 by 7 cards, or you can use them for slimline cards and mini slimline cards. And last but not least, in our Crafty Courtyard kit this month, we have a 6 by 6 embossing folder. This is called Beach Waves. And it's a really fun embossing folder with the wave design. This wave design is in the foilables. It's in the foil subscription. And this wave design can be seen also in the patterned paper. Not exactly the same sizing on those, but just the similar waves. So you can create things that coordinate and look nice together. Our Crafty Courtyard kit ships out on the 15th, and with any of our subscriptions you can skip a month if you like, or you can cancel anytime. We don't require you to stay a subscriber for any amount of time, and we hope you're excited to get these products delivered to your doorstep this month. I can't believe June is here. It's already time for summer. I know it's really hot here in Florida. We've been really humid and hot, so it feels like summer for sure. But you can find out more and subscribe at pinkandmane.com. And until I see you next time, keep living the creative life.